So, in today's vlog, drumroll please, get ready for me to go to Cape Town. So guys, it's currently literally 3 a.m. 3 a.m. I'm ready. I've already bathed. We're supposed to leave around 3, like anytime from now. So our flight is for 6 a.m. and I think check-in starts at 4. So yeah guys, come with me to Cape Town. We're going for like this weekend. It's the 10th of Jan today. 10th of Jan, and it's Saturday. So guys, come with me to Cape Town. And we're landing in Cape Town around 8 a.m. So a lot of activities are actually gonna start today. So let me also check for you guys. So guys, I got my hair done the day before yesterday. My friend Christiana did my hair. If you're around UP, if you're around Hitfield, this is your girl. Very affordable for students, for anybody actually. So I'm gonna put her number somewhere on the screen. And then my top, I got this top from Shein. Like it's so pretty because it has like all these details. And then this cardigan is also from Shein. I think that's what it's called, né? Yeah, it's also from Shein. Then let me show you guys my pants. I'm wearing my Adidas pants. Very comfortable.
I get the money passing your papa. Wait till you one way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and share your big kids than any. You better drop your body and more come. So free with this body. Make you run, I'm on a low key. Baby, you know me.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Thank you so much. How are you?
Say
We're
how are you,
heading
vlog?
to Cape Town.
Say hi, Anna. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Nene. Say hi. Okay, guys, this is everyone. My dad is checking in now because he had to go and park the car and pay for the parking. But he is checking in now. We're just looking for the bathrooms because we are praised, Sana. So yeah. Hi guys. This is where we are sleeping. So this is my room with my sister. This is where we're gonna sleep. This is so beautiful, guys. Like, it smells so good in here. Those are our bags. Here's the mirror. Here's another mirror. And then here's the bathroom. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Let's go see the other room. I don't know if my parents will allow me to vlog, but let's see. Yeah, it's charging. Staying in these houses is where we're living. So we chose an area that's a beach front area, so we can come and have these views by the beach. Yay! Gonna get into your eyes. So we're here. We're not gonna swim, unfortunately. Oh my gosh. And the wind. The wind blowing over here. Oh my gosh. And I can tell the water is cold.
Get the name, I know sing a sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise.
Hey everybody, so we just arrived at the V&A waterfront. Guys, it's still day one because we don't have many days in Cape Town, so we're trying to maximize all the time we have. So I think the lighting is really bad over here, but we headed to wherever we're going, where all the activities happen. One side of it. So yeah, let's go guys. It is so hot, guys. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't even know how many degrees it is. Let's check. It's 29 degrees, but I don't believe, guys. Because earlier on was 33 degrees. Whew. And guys, I'm already sunburned, you know? I'm already sunburned.
These kind of things in our life.
Nathan guitar, Monet on drum, Lucas Kumar on bass, Marcelo trumpet, Jonathan.
Hi everyone. So we just came back home, and since it's large, I'm stop saying home, but we just got back, and I'm so tired. I am so tired, and it's currently. Guys, I think I lost my power bank.
So the ladies run sleeping.
I think I lost my power bank. 28 past 9. I am so tired. You guys know I didn't sleep. I've been so exhausted and stuff. So I think I'm just gonna sleep. I'm gonna go shower. Just tidy up the place a little. It's not even dirty at all. Then I'm gonna sleep. And then tomorrow morning we're going to church. And I'm taking you guys with me. So bye. Everyone, so it is after church. And church was so powerful, guys. It was so nice, but the problem was that it was just hot. Like, it was really hot, guys. Sun City, Cape Town is really hot. Like, it's really hot. So right now we're just getting ready to go to, I think, the Century Mall. I'm not sure. I am not sure. Wherever the wind takes us.
To like, subscribe, share, and turn the notification bell.
Hi guys, so we are back home from Canal Walk. Well, we actually didn't really go to the Canal Walk, so we basically went to that mall the Canal Walk Mall. But then you guys understand what I'm trying to say, right? We didn't go walk, went to that area, and yeah, we had like Cinnabon, we chilled. Then we went to also go visit people this side. So yeah, and now we're back home. It's, guys, you know, the sun here in Cape Town sets at 8, so it's still bright outside. But let me show you guys the time. Hold on. Now, guys, another thing, we locked ourselves outside. So basically, we didn't take our keys. My parents did. They didn't take our keys. So the lady who came to cleaned our room, and then she locked the door, thinking that we have the keys. Kind of, we don't have the keys, so she locked the door. So, and also, I got this power bank. Yeah, because my phone is always low. So my dad got me this power bank at the Canal Walk. And my sister got a charger from iStore. I opted for a power bank instead. So yeah, we have the door open. I'll show you later.
Welcome back to Ruby's channel.
So today is Monday, the 12th. Yeah, so we are actually going today, but we're going later in the evening. So now we're at the place where we stay, and we are having some breakfast. Yeah, so you guys are gonna come with me today. I'll show you guys my outfit. I'm looking all cute and stuff. So I don't know what I'm gonna have. It's like 9. So yeah.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't get bada.
Yes.
Anything when you do, they must connect it. So anything when they do, they die to this one. Plenty, survive with this. Just to make your money. But my people then go say, I know one fight, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to learn.
Hi guys. YouTube takeover. Anyways, we're currently at, what is it called, Wonderland. It's like an arcade or whatever. We're trying to do something before we leave. We're leaving later on today. We just got here, so it's a bit overwhelming and stuff. But I don't know. I'm just trying to shoot, honestly, but there's like people there, so yeah. But I think you guys to shoot with me. I don't know if she's gonna allow.
Yeah, you can go.
I can go shoot.
Yeah, but like, take out my camera.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's go shoot.
Let's go look for the money.
Okay, let's.
Schemes and packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling the floor like the ocean. Port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you should not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one fight, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.